In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign step-by-step tutorial demo. 5 minutes. We'll cover two essentials: how to send a document for signature and how to sign one you receive so you can move paperwork forward with confidence. Start by signing into Docusign in your web browser. On the home screen, select Start, then choose Send an Envelope. An envelope is simply the package that holds your files and instructions. Upload the document you want to send from your computer or connected cloud storage. Take a quick moment to confirm the pages look correct and the areas that need attention are clearly visible. Add your recipients next. Enter each person's name and email address carefully to avoid delivery issues. If more than one person is involved, add multiple recipients so everyone gets the document they need. For each recipient, choose the correct action. Pick needs to sign for anyone who must sign, or receives a copy for those who just need to be informed. Click Next to prepare the document. Use the tools on the left to drag and drop fields onto the page. Place signature fields where they belong. Add a date field where the signer should confirm the date, and include text fields for any information the signer must type. Align the fields neatly so they're easy to spot, and double check that each field is assigned to the right recipient. When everything looks good, click Send, and Docusign will deliver the envelope and track its progress for you. Now let's switch to the signer's experience. Open the Docusign email and click Review Document. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. On the landing page, agree to use electronic records and signatures, then click Continue. Look for the yellow Start tag, which guides you to each required field. Click the first signature field to adopt and apply your signature. You can confirm the style before you place it. Work through any remaining fields until everything is complete. To wrap up, click Finish at the top or bottom of the page. You'll see a confirmation, and you can download or save a copy for your records. That's the complete flow. You've learned how to send an envelope, how to add recipients and fields, and how to sign and finish. With these steps, you can handle agreements quickly and securely in Docusign.